Hey guys, hope you are doing well and welcome to another new video, and this is Arman Niloy. In our previous video, I talking about what loan and insurance company don't want you to know. In this video, I talking about how to make the most of your money though loans and insurance. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys enjoy the video but you do not subscribe our YouTube channel, please pay the subscribe button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Get more video like this. Okay guys, I was very excited starting this video because this video is so informative. So guys, let's start this video. uh, Today we see that some way how to make the most of the money though loans and insurance. Okay, the number of point of one, start a passive income stream. Making money while you step doesn't have to be a pipe dream. Earning passive income is easier today than ever before, and many of your next advisor contributors are making a killing. If you want to level up your financial life and you know that cutting expenses will only get you so far, start thinking about ways to add income. Investing in the stock market, whether on your own or though a counts as one. Here are seven others you may not have considered, presented by contributor Janice Torres Rodriguez, who has made money on every single one. The number of 2 points, find your freedom gap. You could also call this number the gap between your monthly income and your monthly expenses, but that's not a fun. Plus, freedom gap really gets to the point. The strategy here is to calculate the amount of money you have left over each month once all your bills are paid. When you know that figure, say 700 US dollar, you can intentionally deploy uh, those funds towards your goals. Maybe 250 US dollar goes toward paying off debt, 250 US dollar towards savings, and 250 US dollar for investing in includes funds. The bigger your freedom gap, the more you can do, and the more power you have to build wealth and ultimately achieve financial independence. Uh, okay, the next the number, take an hour to name your beneficiaries. Okay, we call this the gateway drug. Call this the gateway drug of estate planning. Creating Okay, creating a will some thing 60% of US adults haven't done possibility because it can be a daunting process. You should do it anyway, says Jill, a chief and next advisor contributor. But if you want to know out a win today, there's a more straightforward way to get started: naming a beneficiary on your financial accounts, such as traditionals and Roth areas. Brokerage accounts and life insurance policies is often easy to do online in 15 minutes or less. There's peace of mind at stake. Even if you don't have a will, naming a beneficiary will ensure that your assets avoid legal probate and go directly to whomever you designate. Uh, okay, the next, download YNAB. You will take any help you get, right? If a good app can help you track your money more easily or integrate financial management into your daily routine, take advantage some of your favorites and personal capital, which allows you to track your net worth for free with graphs and charts. to help your visualize your goals, and accounts which a relatively frictionless way to start investing. Okay, the next, find out if you are undeprived. Are you willing to have a awkward conversation? When next advisor contributor Erin Lorry asked seven careers and negotiation experts the secret of negotiating a higher salary. They all agreed on one thing: you have to be armed with informations about how much your uh, and purse make compared to you. Okay, and the next we and also know your value. This topics: for every dollar a man makes, women make 0.882 US dollar or average. The gap is wider for Latinas, Black women, and Native American women. For Vanessa Manchasa, watch Mr. A chess professionals who managed a double her salary in 2 years. The static thesis inspire an aggressive negotiations mindset. The real game changer was sitting though the female feeling and that I am not worthy of my money and going hard with my negotiations. Okay, and the next, refinance your mortgage with still time. Mortgage rates have been historically how low for nearly a year, and plenty of people have taken advantage. But there are still 14 million homeowners who can save the least 250 US dollar a month by replacing their current mortgage with a new one at today's low rates, according to a recent study from the mortgage data firm Black Knight. Experts predict the mortgage rates will stay low for the rest of the year, so you do not have a rush into it. Start by learning how refinancing works. And the last, increase your credit limit and your credit score with it. Raising your credit score doesn't have to take a long time. One of the quickest ways to boost it is to manipulate your credit utilization ratio, with accounts for 30% of your credit score. The ratio is found by adding up all the debit you with the dividing it by the amount of credit you have access to. The lower the better. So if you are carrying a 2000 US dollar balance on a card with a 10,000 US dollar credit limit, you have a credit utilization ratio of uh, 20%. But if you raise your credit limit to 20,000 US dollars, the same balance is now 10% of your total credit. For customers in good standing, raising your credit limit can be as easy as filling out of from online and making a single phone call. Okay guys, today I trying to know about how to make the most of the money through loans and insurance. Okay, guys, this video is helpful to you and informative to you. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.